How to contact property directly on booking.com. In order to contact a property directly on booking.com, the method depends on whether you have already booked or are still browsing. Now, the if you have a confirmed booking, the property's direct contact details are provided to you once reservation is finalized. So what you need is all you have to do is you want to go to booking.com. Now, this is for those of you who have confirmed the booking, right? And you could go to the bookings at the bottom, then you would tap the active button. There you will be able to find the property that you've booked or that you've confirmed. There you will be able to find all the information like the contacts, persons, property name, details, locations, and contact number, all that stuff. And there you could simply go ahead and follow the on prompt and contact as well. And for those of you, if you have not yet booked, and what you want to do is, if you want to contact the host link on your on many property listing, there is a contact the host or contact the property link located near the host profile or at the bottom of the page. So basically, I'm going to show you how it actually looks. You want to go to the stay section, or you could do it for the car rental, all that as well, and go for the location where it was and select the hotel that you were browsing, and here you should be able to find the locations, and there you have the informations as well, other information if you want to. And likewise, you just want to make sure to go ahead and here it is, host information. As you could see, you just tap on it and there you have informations, and this is basically how you're supposed to contact host. And I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.